Alright, crypto enthusiasts, let's talk money, or more specifically, getting your money out of crypto. You've been hodling, stacking sats, or whatever your favorite crypto lingo is, and now it's time to cash out. But hold your horses. Before you hit that withdraw button, you're probably wondering, what's the maximum I can pull out of Coinbase? I mean, it's a fair question, right? You don't want to hit a brick wall when you're ready to liquidate your crypto stash. So, let's dive into this. Now, the short answer is, it depends. Coinbase, like most financial platforms, has its own set of rules when it comes to withdrawals. And guess what? Those rules can change. So, while I'm giving you the lowdown on what I know today, it's always a good idea to double-check Coinbase's official website for the most up-to-date information. Let's break this down. First, we need to differentiate between two main types of withdrawals. Crypto withdrawals, pulling your crypto off the Coinbase platform and into a personal wallet. Fiat withdrawals, converting your crypto to traditional currency like USD, Euro, etc., and transferring it to your bank account. For crypto withdrawals, the good news is that Coinbase generally doesn't impose strict limits on the amount you can withdraw. It's more about the specific cryptocurrency and the network fees involved. Some cryptos have higher transaction fees than others, which can impact how much you can withdraw in a single transaction. But let's talk about the juicy stuff, fiat withdrawals. This is where things get a bit more complex. Coinbase has a default daily withdrawal limit of $100,000 for fiat currency. That's a pretty hefty sum, but hey, we're talking about crypto here, right? It's not uncommon to have more than that parked on an exchange. But wait, there's more. Coinbase also offers increased withdrawal limits for verified users. If you've gone through the extra steps to verify your identity, you might be eligible for a higher limit. It's like leveling up in a video game. The more you invest in your account security, the bigger the rewards, or in this case, higher withdrawal limits. Now, how do you increase your withdrawal limit? It's not rocket science, but it does require some paperwork. You'll need to submit a request to Coinbase, providing details about why you need a higher limit. The more information you can give them, the better your chances of getting approved. But remember, even with a higher limit, it's essential to be mindful of your withdrawal frequency. Making too many large withdrawals in a short period might trigger additional checks or even temporary account restrictions. Coinbase is all about security, and they want to make sure everything is legit. So, to recap. Crypto withdrawals, generally no strict limits, but network fees can impact transaction size. Fiat withdrawals, default limit of $100,000 per day, but can be increased through verification. Increase your limit by submitting a request to Coinbase with detailed reasons. Be mindful of withdrawal frequency to avoid potential issues. And there you have it. A basic rundown of Coinbase withdrawal limits. But remember, this is a dynamic situation. Crypto is constantly evolving, and so are the platforms that support it. Always do your own research and stay updated on the latest rules and regulations. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy hodling.